we are in the conversion stage. Hope you are aware of that. And it's not easy to really explain this stage. When we have started with projection stage, we just came from absent few months without the School of Apostles. Then we start immediately. I don't know how you felt after the talk. It's very good to really recall, before preparing the talk, to recall kung ano yung fruits niyo after the talk this morning. It's good to bring it with you as you prepare the talk. So, just do it. Sorry, wala kaming record natin. It's not working. So, anyway, so ideal stage. Ideal stage simply talks about everything about who God is and who I am for God. Diba yun ang ideal stage? No? Sino ang Diyos and who I am before God, in the eyes of God. So makikita natin, we see in the ideal stage truths, katotohanan ng ating pananampalataya, the truths of our faith of who God is and who we are. So yun, no? God is my Father, I come from love. Yung sinabi kanina sa talk, no? Life and love, mga ganun, ideal. So lahat yan, process yan. No? Starting from life and love process, daming talks yan. It's a process up to mystical body. No? From life and love up to mystical body, and even forged love, no? Talks about our relationship. Conversion stage is interesting kasi it's, especially this talk of unawareness, it's an open door, the entrance towards the conversion stage. So if ito yung ideal supposed to be ng buhay ko, what God sees of me, ito yung truth who I am, ideal stage. Bakit sa katotohanan, yung truth, I am not the same. In real life, but I'm not in that same level. Yun ang situation ng ideal at saka conversion. So bear with me just to explain a little bit this so that you will be aware when you give prepare the unawareness talk. No? If you remember the talk of Elaine kanina, sinabi niya, I've heard a lot about the talks. No? Pero bakit sa puso ko, in my actions, is not the same? Romance. No? So, yun ang entrance ng unawareness, ng conversion stage. So yung objectives ko. Okay, so ito yung objectives ng unawareness. So, to help the person to be aware that he lives, what he lives before God, who is looking at the heart and not the appearances. So, God has a way of looking at us. Yun sa ideal stage. Sino ako? Who I am in front of God. Okay? And then, you try to examine yourself. Examine your conscience. Ba't hindi ako ganun? Example. No? God is my Father. I have a Father. But how come I'm living like an orphan? Diba? How come I'm still looking for love? When somebody loves me already in heaven, that is my Father who loves me very much. Why is it I'm still hungry for love, for attention? Diba? So all these things, example lang yun, no? Examining ourselves in front of the truths of faith in the ideal stage. To understand why the person does not live fully the plan of God for his life. Bakit kaya, if this is the dream of God for me, but I'm not living it? Parang I'm still doubting kung totoo ba ito o hindi. Diba? I know what is good, sabi kanina ni Elaine. No? I know what is good, pero bakit yung ginagawa ko hindi good? I still go to sa kaliwa. Okay? So yun mga objectives. No? Everything comes from the living ignorance of God's life and love from having this lack of listening. And then a very important part, I cannot write it. A very important part really in this truth of faith, I will force myself to write, is listening. Listening, very important. Our connection with God and our connection with ourselves. So listening is a very important word in this talk, the connection. So their lack of listening, sinabi dyan sa number 2. Everything comes from the living ignorance of God's life and love, from having disconnected from God, lack of listening. So ito yung bakit, why I am like this, not according to God's plan, is because I don't listen to Him. I disconnected from Him. So that's a very important part sa talk. And then another very important word sa talk is what we call process. Process. May proseso na lahat. Even the idea, there's a process. From life and love, the conversion also, there's a process. So, we heard from the talk, no? We started little, the Lane was giving some things about examples, cheating, started little, and ano ba yun? Curfew, going out. And then she made us remember the first time we did it, we don't feel very well. So there was a process. The more we don't listen to God, the more we become numb, insensitive. Okay? So process is another word that's very important. To the point that if we continue to disconnect ourselves, the person degenerates his identity. So that's why this is a very serious talk, because people will start to degenerate their identity because of little no. Okay, so don't be afraid, because these are conversions. Don't be afraid of like very serious tones in this talk. But one thing I would like to advise before we start with the outline is don't immediately talk about sin. I don't know if you agree with me, especially those who are. Don't even, this is the first talk of the conversion stage. There's another talk about sin later on. So don't talk about you're a sinner, you're a, I don't know, you are a murderer, you are, no, don't talk about that later. This is just an entrance. Slowly, gently, you talk about things, cheating, and then later, sila na bahala dyan. If you are giving the unawareness talk, slowly, it's like what you say, the Samaritan, the man with the wounded. What did he put? He didn't put wine, kasi mahapdi yun eh. He puts first oil, diba? So, unawareness talk is like that. First little oil, little by little, and later. So anyway, that's the process, conversion stage. Okay, so let's begin with the. Let's begin with points. I will not anymore, right? Let's do the level. So link is just an invitation. Let us go deeper. So let us to be open, openness and sincerity. So invite the person to be open. It's like the beginning of the talk. Invite ourselves to be open. Now, we have heard all the ideal stage. I have heard a lot. Now, I invite you this time to be open. Let us be sincere with ourselves. It's like that, huh? The beginning of the talk. Let us be sincere with ourselves. Is it true yung sinabi ng lahat ng ideal stage? Ito ba yun sa buhay mo? Be sincere. Let us be open. Okay. Next. First point. Simple lang. God has created me to know, love, and serve Him. What have I done? Okay? So, ano nangyari sa akin? So it's good to know. There are many passages that we can see. No? Isaiah, there's a passage in Isaiah, I didn't put it there because it was not in the talk of Elaine, but she mentioned about Romans. Ano nangyari sa akin? Bakit yung lumalabas sa akin is not the same according to what we have heard from the ideal stage? Okay, what have I done? So, I will just mention some points from the talk. So she gave Romans 1:28, Romans 7:22. These were the passages. If you want also Isaiah 5. Oh, never mind. So, never mind. So that will not be confused. So she mentioned about also the hatred, no? How come I am made by love? And she gave an example. Bakit may hatred ako sa puso? So let's begin with making the first point. Okay? Let's begin making the first point. It's like how to do the first point. Recalling yung idea. Narinig natin yung lahat ng idea. Okay? That's why this talk is not so easy kasi we haven't heard the idea. But narinig natin na God loves us, all this idea. And then, bakit kaya hindi ako ganito? Why am I not like this? So start to write it, I will give you time again. Start writing down things. Maybe you can remember experiences in your life, wherein when you look in your life, hindi ako ganito. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, so let's begin. Writing the points. Point number 1. God has created me to know, love, and serve Him. What have I done? We have 15 minutes to prepare. Wala tayong paper ngayon, so just do it in your notebook or your phones. Make sure when you are like mentioning some examples, you are trying to see your audience. Depende sa audience. Kasi if you're mentioning examples for couples, tapos your audience are students, so they cannot relate. And I believe yung audience ni Elaine was more for young people kasi she was talking about our view, mga ganun. So, bear in mind. Sorry, it's taking time natin. Sure. Okay, number 2 is why. As what we know, the first point is what is the talking about. And number 2 is why. Bakit kaya may contradiction sa buhay natin? No? Ito yung truth ng idea, tapos ako iba. Why? Kasi there is a process of the loss of consciousness of life and love. In this second point, we talk a lot about our disconnection. Yung sinabi ko kanina, yung lack of listening. Hindi tayo, we are not listening to God. Yun ang why, bakit ang nangyari. So, makikita natin yung symptoms. What is not normal becomes normal. It was mentioned. Tapos was mentioned also disconnection. Marami tayong excuses, no? From one no to another, no? Then she mentioned about conscience. Meron tayong conscience, but we don't listen to it. From one no to another leads to a process of disconnection from God. So, very important sa second point is yung word na process. May process. Hindi yan overnight na I become very bad. Suddenly, no? There has been a process of saying no, no, no. And I like what Elaine said. It's really to emphasize yung the first moment you did it. Anong feeling mo? When was it? Okay? So just emphasize on this process no, of the loss of consciousness. Anong nangyari? Yung mga symptoms makikita natin. Ano yung moments of disconnection? To have people realize na it was their choice. Hindi dahil sa evil voice, but it's their choice to disconnect from God. Remember that. Don't blame the evil. I mean, you can blame evil voice, no? Pero, blame also yourself. Kasi it was your choice. No? It's your choice to say no and follow that. Not your conscience. Okay? Is that clear? Story is just patikim lang, just a taste. And later sa groups, you try to arrange your ideas. So point 3 will be the how. The how. So paano natin to be aware again, no? Is to examine your life. Listen to the truth. Recognize where you have fallen. No? Listen to the truth. Recognize the truth. And sino yung truth? It's Jesus. No? So, that is point number 3. How? So, kasi yung many times the problem is we got confused na I thought that this was the truth. Sinabi kanina, no, what is not normal becomes normal. So I thought that this is the truth kasi ginagawa ng lahat. Pero it's not true. That's why the third point is recognize the truth. It's not the truth that you are doing. No? That's why the message is examine. Listen to the truth. A good example na sinabi kanina ni LA was when after many years she went to talk to listen to her father, to listen to the truth. Ano ba yung what really happened? And when she did that, things changed. I thought that, of course, we were a part of the truth when she was young, but it's not the whole truth. So that was a good example as well. So slowly going back to the truth since we are pushing away from it. Okay, so point number 3. You also give a little bit of hope to the audience. It's like, it's not the end of the world. There's a way out. Sinabi kanina, there's a way out. You can go back to the truth. So, somehow you can also share that one in this third point. Examine your life. Okay, and finally, the last point is equally, for me, personally, very important point. Because many times, we don't consider the last point as important. No? But it's equally very important because it talks about the nostalgia of God. There's another word of that in the Dimali it says nostalgia. It's like to really the fourth point is to listen from God, to invite the people to listen from God, to listen again to the truth from the mouth of God. Kasi siya lang yung truth eh. Siya yung may alam kung ano nangyayari sa iyo. So to invite the people, listen again to the truth. You are not okay. And to allow God to speak, no? What happened to you, my child, my son? Don't think that you're okay. You're not okay. So it's to allow God to listen, how to speak to you, no? In that manner. So it's very important. It's like Jesus is very concerned of our life, of our unawareness. And he is this nostalgia, no, na he remembers na hindi ka, you are not like that before. What happened to you? How I wish, these words from God, how I wish you could be the same as before, as my child once again. So that's the fourth point. So at the end, the fruit of the persons is really also wanting to connect again to God. Okay, so that's the fourth point. So in order to close your talk, you can end with a passage, as what the lady did. She ended with a passage of Bartimaeus. And it's nice, the words of Bartimaeus, I want to see again. Like this passage is very, I want to know you, Lord, again. And even the parable of the, no, not the parable, the healing of the leper, when Jesus told the leper, yes, I want to heal you. Something like that. You look for a passage, one passage that can finish with this desire to want to go back to God and to be with Him again. And God telling you the same. Okay. It's a bit rush today. I know it's not easy. But hopefully we can, during the groupings, we can get some ideas and lights. And during this month, to work the talk with all the lights that we have received. Okay, so dyan lang muna. And we will have our groupings. Before lunch will be 2 groups, right? Okay, before lunch there will be 2 groups, 2 groupings. Then after lunch another the next week. Okay, so there are 4 groups. So first is